Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Currently 12:37 and I'm just now getting up. Normally your girl's not sitting in this bed right now. I got up at 7 o'clock this morning, got the kids ready for school, and I just felt like so sluggish. Once the kids left or whatever, I was like, let me just lay back down and try to take a little cat nap. Here we are a couple hours later. Sometimes you just need that nap. I have no desire to get up and I don't know why. I guess it's catching up to me because I'm always busy throughout the day, and then once I'm done doing everything throughout the day, it's kind of late. And so instead of me going to sleep when the kids go to sleep, that's when I have like my quiet time, and then I'm up on social media watching movies, and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Then I'm shutting my eyes just to get back up at 6, 7 to get the kids ready for school. So it's starting to catch up on your girl. I'm not a little young chicken anymore, so my body requires a little bit more sleep. 4 to 5 hours of sleep is just not cutting it, baby. It's not giving refreshed. It's not giving woke. You guys read the title of the video, so we got shit to do today. I do have 1,001 things that I probably could cover in this video today, but we're only gonna do what we can do today. I have written down everything that I need to do today. I want to work out. I have to declutter my living room closet. Of course, I have to cook. The therapy session today, so I'm so excited for that. I don't feel like doing any of this today. I really just want to crawl back in my bed, but I'm gonna get my ass up because I know if I don't do it, it's not gonna get done. Look at my new sheets. Well, these are not new, but I put on my gold silk sheets. I need to go to the beauty supply store because I lost my nose ring. I feel so naked. I just feel like something's missing off my face. Once I leave it out too long, that shit hurts to put it back in. I don't know what order I want to do everything, but I feel like I need some energy. So I'm probably going to try to do the fitness part first. Technically, with this whole cleaning thing, I have a lot to clean. If I had to choose, I'd probably want to tackle my room, because the way my room is set up right now, y'all, it's not even, it's atrocious. Honestly, it's just my clothes. I have too many clothes, so if you guys want to see me declutter my room and rearrange my clothes, let me know. I'll do that. One particular closet in my living room is atrocious. I've been avoiding it. I'm not gonna avoid it any longer. The more I let it accumulate, the more shit I tend to throw in there, so it's giving hoarderish vibes for me, and I just can't function like that. Like, I need a clear mind and clear house and a clean house. I may not really talk to you guys a lot in this video, but I'll pop in once in a while to let you guys know certain things that I'm gonna do. Today's a productive day. Find one thing that you need to do for yourself. We're gonna do this together as usual, and if I can't get all of them done, I will not be too hard on myself, but the goal is to check them shits off. We got things to do, people to see, money to make, and goals to achieve. That was so necessary. Feeling a little nauseous. That's my cue to stop. Hey, this shit is a craft. Right butt cheek is like dead. The left one does what it does. Perfecto. So my game plan was to throw everything in this garbage, right? I don't have any bags. How am I clean up with no bags? Because if I don't have bags, I'm gonna end up saving it, and I'm gonna. That's the thing. I'm gonna end up saving stuff because I feel like I need to. This stuff is really serving me no purpose, so it's gonna go. We got a backup plan. I got a backup plan. I got the Clorox bag.
I like my bitch, red phone, ice fat, cello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello. I do my own hood, same old attitude, but I want that new shit. See me never do shit. On my wrist, bust down. I could do this for hours, sit and talk to you for all the shrimp and lobster towers, but it's me that gets devoured. I make that thing go wild. I go make that thing run water. I go Business is business, you know how they go.
Progress. I can see the bottom of the closet. This is the aftermath of cleaning the closet out. Get out of the closet. I just cleaned it. This is how it's looking. It's looking real crazy, but I'm proud of this because now I can walk in the closet and now I have to search for anything. I'm gonna leave it as nothing because once I start putting stuff in the closet, that's when things start accumulating. But look, literally like seven different jackets, literally. So just gonna give it away to somebody because I hate to throw stuff out, but some of the stuff is trash. Ow. Do y'all see me working? So I'm gonna take a little break because I did do a lot. Right now I have to head to my therapy session, which I look forward to every single week. Y'all know it's vital to be able to get shit out that you've been holding in. Once I get back, then I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Is it good?
Yes. Good.
Is it good, Poppy? Yeah? Justice is such a picky eater, y'all. All he eats is the garlic bread. He don't mess with the broccoli or the spaghetti. It's good?
Yeah.
Lyric left us. She went to Nana's house. So
Yeah.
just 2 out of the 3 are here today.
Sit down, Judy.
You want me to sit down?
Yeah.
You want mommy to eat with you?
Yeah.
Okay. I have had a long day. I am about to really be man down because I have a booked appointment in-house masseuse appointment in about 15 minutes. So I need to get up and shower because I do not want to be funky and musty with no stranger coming to rub me. Just ate and I got the itis, and you know when you eat and you full, it just puts you in a food coma. I'm super comfortable, and this bun is too damn tight. It's giving me a headache. It's the day is done. The bun has to go. The bun and the bra. That was the best massage I've ever had. Now look at my hair. My hair is a hot mess, but it doesn't even matter because I feel so good right now. You don't realize how much tension you actually hold in your shoulders. Today felt long, but I didn't feel overwhelmed, and that's something that's different for me. Usually when I have things I want to get done throughout the day, it becomes more of a project, a process, and it's not fun while I'm doing it. But I made sure to have fun while I was doing everything that I did today, and I didn't set high expectations for myself, even if I didn't check everything off the list that I had to do, which was prepared for today. I say all that to say, just try to do one productive thing throughout the day. If nothing else, at least you did that one thing. There's always tomorrow for you to try to pick up where you left off. It's important that I treat myself and not forget about myself, because us as women, and I'm not shading and I'm not leaving out the men, but us women have a lot of pressure on us, you know what I mean? Have a lot of responsibility, so sometimes you can get lost in those responsibilities and forget about yourself and your needs. Today my needs were met. I'm gonna close this vlog out right here because I am tired. I am gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Yes ma'am. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another